Hey everyone, it's time to talk about something incredibly important for legal professionals and associations alike. Unauthorized use of a name and logo can seriously impact an organization's reputation and legal standing. Today, I'll be diving into the application against illegal use of name and logo, brought forward by the All Pakistan Nambardar Association. So, what's the issue here? The All Pakistan Nambardar Association has discovered that certain individuals and entities are using their registered name and logo without permission. This is not just a minor inconvenience, it's a serious legal violation. The association has already filed complaints with the relevant authorities and courts. Now, they're calling on concerned departments across Punjab and Pakistan to take necessary action against these violators. Why should you care? For legal professionals, this is a textbook case of intellectual property rights being infringed upon. Unauthorized use can lead to brand dilution, loss of trust, and even financial losses for the affected organization. Here are the key details. The registered name in question is All Pakistan Nambardar Association. If you come across any misuse, contact them directly at +92 0301 5016 100. This message isn't just for legal experts, but also for various officials and departments in Punjab. It's a call to action to protect the integrity of registered organizations. To wrap it up, unauthorized use of a name and logo is not just unethical, it's illegal. Taking prompt action helps uphold the law and protects the rights of registered entities. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video to spread awareness about this critical issue. Until next time, stay informed and stay vigilant.